Collecting from Excel files. So if I open my SyncDirect list, and then I'll go and find my Excel client, and go to SyncDirect, and I'm going to right click and collect. The Excel type is Browse. I'm going to do General Ledger for the year that I have data from. I'm going to choose Excel or Manual. So bring me to a mid screen where I import and go and find the file I require. In this case, it's MYOB journal entries. Select the sheet. I'm going to start from row 2 because I have a heading on my Excel. And then I simply choose where the account number is in column A there and hit apply. There are a few mandatory fields in here, the ones that I've selected. So my journal type, I'm going to scroll across, and here we are. I found the account name, and that's in column P. I'll apply that, and you can see the name changing on top of the column. Go across and fulfill the rest of them. So my journal ID, I have a column for that, which is V, apply. Now once I've selected all the correct columns that I need and everything looks right to me, I'll have the ability to save that so that I don't have to do this every time. And it will actually save across the board. So if you are exporting from, say, the same program like MYOB Essentials, then you'll be able to use this save on absolutely every client in SyncDirect. So I have my list there, and I can select that every time. So this is showing the transactions that are going to come in, and I hit collect. So let's have a look how that's coming for us. There we go, there's all the transactions. Choose my endpoint, general ledger or trial balance, and the XPA ledger that I want it to go into. And then all that's left is to map those to the XPA file.